Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI generative platform, which is Adobe Firefly. So here's a breakdown. The Adobe Firefly is a polished generative AI tool for artists and designers. Integrated with Photoshop, Illustrator and Creative Cloud, it produces high quality image, offers style control, save content filters, and also lets you generate visual directly in tools you already used. The pros include the excellent image quality, intuitive control, free generation edit credit, and a strong Adobe integration and a reliable content policy. The downside are that some advanced features are locked behind the subscription plan, and beginners may need time to learn the control. And talking about the downside, they include the generation limit on the free plan, fewer artistic styles compared with niche AI tools, and paid tile required for ultra high resolution or commercial use only. So my opinion, actually think the Adobe Firefly is what you're using in 2025 for perfect creatives seeking a free professional AI grid generation with seamless Adobe workflow. And that's it. Hope you find the video up for your video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow for more review. You're welcome.